Bro, everybody wants big biceps and six-packs. But if your body makes a crack click sound every time you move, then guess what? You need WD-40 for your joints. And the best solution is a joint mobility routine. Welcome to Healthcare Hub, and I'm your very own Dr. Abs. Let's oil those rusty joints. Step by step, full body joint mobility flow. 1 neck circles. Stand tall, slowly rotate your neck in a big circle clockwise, then anti-clockwise. Science increases blood flow, relieves stiffness, reduces neck tension. Bro, do it slow. Otherwise people will think you're pulling off an Exorcist 360 head spin. 2 shoulder rotations. Roll your shoulders in big circles. First forward, then backward. Science warms up rotator cuffs, prevents shoulder injuries. Yeah, bro, I'm the don of the gym. 3 elbow and wrist rolls. Rotate elbows slowly, then make fists and roll your wrists in circles. Science improves joint flexibility and grip strength. Imagine you're shaking tea at a roadside stall, Daba style. Torso twists. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Twist your upper body left and right. Science opens up the spine, improves core flexibility. Twist like you just heard. Wait, what did he say about me? Hip circles. Place your hands on your hips and make slow, big circles. Science keeps hips mobile, improves lower body strength. Don't be shy, just pretend you're practicing disco dance moves. Leg swings. How to hold a wall for balance. Swing one leg forward backward, then side to side. Science warms up hip flexors and hamstrings. Looks like you're about to kick a football, except the ball is missing. 7 knee circles. Slightly bend your knees, place your hands on them, and rotate in small circles. Classic karate movie style wax on, wax off, ankle rolls. And rotate the ankle in circles. Improves balance, reduces risk of sprains. Do this and you'll look like a pro footballer, just don't ask for the ball. So bros, that was your full body joint mobility routine. Just 5-10 minutes a day, and your joints will move smooth like butter. Remember, muscles are built in the gym, but your body stays young with mobility. Now like, share, and subscribe, otherwise tomorrow, when you squat, your knees will make that scary soundtrack, click, crack, crunch.